Here's another quick one for you. Old farmer's hack. I planted carrot seeds here last week. Last week when I planted those seeds, the weather was very mild. I think the day I planted them, the high was 68. This week we're hitting back up into the 80s. It's going to be 88 tomorrow or the next day. Carrot seeds will not germinate if they keep drying out. They're very finicky. Also, it's very noticeable old seed versus new seed. I have spotty luck at best, but here's a trick that does help. Once you water, throw a board over it. Just regular old low-tech wooden board. Keeps the sun off, keeps the soil underneath cool and damp. Got plenty of drainage. I don't have to worry too much about rot. It'll still dry out somewhat just due to like capillary action. But this trick will help keep your seeds cool, keep them moist. They won't completely dry out. Much higher success rate as far as germination goes. The best success I've had with carrots is actually winter sowing carrots. You leave the little milk jug over them, plant them in March. That's another video I'll shoot this next spring. But try this if you're planting carrots. The one thing you do have to do, obviously, plants can't grow up through a board. So every morning when you're out watering, which you should do for seedlings probably every day if it's hot enough to use this trick, lift it up and peek. If you see any signs of a seedling poking through, you're done with the board. The seeds are already germinating. They're starting to sprout up. You've got to leave them space or they'll just wither and die under there. So use the board. It's very helpful, but you got to check it every day.